Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to put items to sale on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So open your admin panel and go to products and click on add product and give here the product title and enter here product description. And now click on add file and add file of your product. The same way you can upload multiple photos and give here the price, and if your product has any discount then enter here the discount amount. You can add cost per item here. And enter here your SKU number or barcode. And this is a physical product. I'm going to adding ebook here, and ebook isn't a physical product. I'm going to unchecking this option, and if you're selling t-shirt, shirt or shoes, then you have to select this option. And this product has option like size or color. If your product has any option, then you can add your option here. And now product status, select active. Product type, select here the type, add here the vendor, and if you want to add your product to a particular collection, then you have to select the collection name here and add here your product tags. And now click on save. So here you can see the product has been created. Now I'm visiting my online store and here is the product. I just upload it. So this was how we can put products on Shopify to sell. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.